Okay boys, before this video starts, truck's all finished over there. Let me tell you, it looks good. But make sure to leave a like on this video, just real quick. Show some support before we get into the video here. And yeah, on with it. What is up guys? Welcome back to another video. I just woke up, so I mean, I kind of look probably tired, but yeah, so the bumper's out for delivery right now. So we're gonna be able to do that. I think what I'm gonna do, because this guy's gonna show up to my house in a semi truck, and I told him to try to back into my driveway when he gets close. So yeah, he should be able to fit under that power line over there, hopefully. They've done it before, so I mean, hopefully he can do it. This one looks lower though, but he's not gonna come all the way down anyway. What I'm gonna... Buddy, where the fuck were you? Where were you, huh? Where were you? Alright, apparently he was playing somewhere over there. I'm gonna try to back the truck up to the semi truck and kind of just like pull the bumper into the truck. It weighs like probably 250 pounds. I think the ship weight was 253 pounds. So, I mean, I should be able to pull that. But hopefully the truck is high enough at least to get it in there, kind of. I think it'll be pretty close. It'll probably be like a foot too low, but that should be okay. So I'm basically just sitting here waiting. It's kind of cold out today, but I'm wearing shorts and a tee. You guys said you wanted Buddy in more videos, so there you go. But check out my leg, dude. Oh, it looks real nice. That happened like 2 weeks ago. So I just saw a semi truck go by, but it wasn't a UPS one. But literally, like, if that wasn't the guy, then that's the first semi truck I've ever seen on this road. Whew. There she is. Now we just gotta go put her on. Okay boys, we got Matthew here, and we're starting to do the modification for moving. Alright, so basically what this piece is gonna do, I'm gonna weld this to the top of here and drill another hole through it because of the body lift. I'll have a bolt go through here and a bolt go through here. So that's what this whole big piece of metal is. I'll give you guys a real quick look at the bumper. You can see it's pretty freaking big, so put this thing on here, and then me and Matt are gonna have to find a way, probably using that jack right there, to get the bumper up while I put the bolts in it, which will be a lot of fun, I'm guessing. So oops. Where's my clip? That would help. Oh yeah. It's gonna be beautiful. Got it tacked on there. professional welder, but I mean, actually for the first time laying a bead in probably 3 years, I think that's pretty damn good. This was my tack and this was my other tack, so, but that right there, it's not really gonna focus, but I haven't welded a bead in probably 3 years, so that's pretty decent. So now I gotta drill my holes, and this isn't going nowhere, so that should work fine. I gotta grind it down though, actually, but yeah. So for the last, like, what, hour and a half, Matt, probably, me and Matt have been jacking this up on 2 cinder blocks, using jack stands to keep it from falling on our faces, and we finally got one bolt in on each side, so it can support itself theoretically. But I just wanted to show you guys, alright, if you're gonna get a big fucking heavy 253-pound bumper and put it on your truck that's freaking lifted, this is what you gotta deal with, unless you got like something else. All I got is this jack, and he can't hold it. There's only 2 of us. If there was 3 of us, 2 people could hold it while I did it, but there's only 2 of us, so we gotta use the jack as the 3rd guy, and I don't know. It's a fucking pain in the ass. That thing's fucking heavy. Now I gotta drill my holes, and obviously it's sitting sideways right now. It's angling down, but it won't be like that because we've only got the bottom bolts in, so whew, alrighty. I don't have the right size drill bit, so we gotta make do with this little guy. And I'm getting really fucking hungry. We've been out here forever. Okay guys, so we got the bumper on. I'll show you it in 1 second. But we need to go get drill bits because it's only held in by 2 bolts right now. The 2 top bolts, I need to drill through that piece of metal that I welded on there. So I need to drill through that and put the bolts through it. And it supports it fine with just 2 for now, but I'm gonna go buy drill bits and put the other 2 bolts in, and then it should be super sturdy. But here's the reveal of it, and yeah.
Sometimes late at night when the full moon rolls and the sleepy back roads hold tobacco smoke on these yellow dotted lines through the dim high beams, it takes me back in time to just turn 16. 2 hands on the wheel, 1 foot on the gas, a picture of us kissing, sliding down in the dash. Young rebel kids sipping on love in a glass, getting tipsy off her lips, but I'm worried that the loves won't last.
Alrighty guys, so that is the reveal of the truck. Let me know how you guys like the new bumper. Before we leave, I need to put my front license plate on here because I'd get pulled over and then I'd be like, oh shit. But yeah, so if you guys want to leave a like on this video, because this video kind of cost me $1,400, $1,300 to make, that'd be sweet. Leave a like. If you're not subscribed already, make sure to subscribe because we have so much more going on with this truck and these 2 Firebirds over here. We got so much work that we still have yet to do. The bumper is just another piece of the puzzle. So with that being said, make sure to leave a like, subscribe below, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you all for watching.